In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Google Calendar email notifications. If your inbox is filling up with updates from Google Calendar, this walkthrough will help you quiet things down while keeping your schedule intact. Start by opening a web browser and going to calendar.google.com. Make sure you're signed in to the correct Google account, especially if you use more than one. You'll see your calendar view. Now look toward the top right for the gear icon. Click that gear, then select Settings from the menu that appears. This takes you into the full settings area where we can control how Google's Calendar communicates with you. On the left side, you'll see a panel with sections. Under the area labeled Settings for My Calendars, click the specific calendar you want to adjust. If you manage multiple calendars, like your main calendar, a work calendar, or shared calendars, you'll repeat this process for each one. Selecting a calendar opens its own dedicated settings. Within that calendar's settings, scroll until you find the section called Other Notifications. This is the key area that controls emails for things like new events, changes to events, cancellations, event responses, and the daily agenda summary. To stop the emails, use the drop-down next to each notification type and change it to None. Setting these to None tells Google Calendar not to send you emails for that category. Take a moment to review each item so you only disable what you don't want. For example, many people turn off daily agenda and event responses while leaving critical updates on, but if your goal is a quiet inbox, switch them all to None. As you make changes, they save automatically. If you rely on pop-up or device notifications, note that those live in a different section called Event Notifications. Today we're focusing on email, so keep your attention in other notifications. When you're done with one calendar, go back to the left panel and select any other calendars you use, then repeat the same adjustments. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you still see emails after changing these settings, check whether the message came from a shared calendar with its own rules or from a meeting host's email rather than Google Calendar itself. Also, keep in mind that these settings follow your account wherever you sign in, so once you set them on the web, they apply across devices. That's it. You've successfully stopped unwanted Google Calendar email notifications and taken control of your inbox without losing your schedule.